Kia ora everybody, and thank you very much for having us here today. Ko Carolyn Tremaine aho. I'm MB's CEO. MB is Hekina Whakatutuki, so lifting for prosperity, and that's really what we're going to be talking about today. I come from a little wee community in the Waikato, the northern Waikato, called Waitarimu. I think the nearest maunga that anybody knows is Tapuae, so a very famous one for those in the Tainui area. And I heard someone earlier today talk about Waikato, so maybe we are relatives. I am really pleased to be here today. I have a couple of special people from my team here with me. My deputy, Chris Bunny, who's in the second row, very tall. Whenever I actually look for him, I just look up higher. And of course, a person who's known really well to you, Paul Jones. And Paul has, I think, done something very special here with Tapuae that has meant, I think, that we've not only come here today to think of how Paul has worked with you in terms of the housing aspirations and reinvigorating Tapuae's hapu villages, but also he just gives a wonderful understanding. And I think it's that richness not only of being here and seeing the place, but actually connecting it with all the things he's told me about the work that he has done here with you. And also we have Lynn Key with us. And Lynn is new into the public sector, so I hope you are listening to everything Debbie said, Lynn, because that is true. The public sector gets up every day. I get up every day hoping that we will do something better for New Zealanders. 9 years ago, MB became a party to the SNP, and I'm pleased to say that we are here today to reaffirm MB's commitment to working with you to advance the social and economic status of Tapuae. And as we continue on our 40-year journey together, I think we really have an opportunity now. And I was really struck by the similarity of the dreams, the hopes, the aspirations, because the mihi that I opened with is actually our MB karakia, and it talks a lot about being bold and brave, about making sure that we have the opportunity to take ownership of our future and actually plan for our future. And of course that's to be done in a way that's simply working together. So I'd also like to add my thanks to the rangatahi, who often just remind us of why we are here and how our shared hopes for our tamariki, for our mokopuna in the future. Debbie talked about each of us as public servants and our role being primarily, or the first priority, to be to serve. But I also think that we have a need to understand and to work hard to understand your hopes and your aspirations. And I really endorse some of the work that Paul's been doing, because I think through that we understand a little bit more to see the world through your eyes. And across MB, I have to say some of our work has gone well, and I've been concentrating a lot on what Paul has done, but actually we know that some of it has not gone so well. And so I acknowledge that, and my team and I are committed to do better. So part of our recommitment is to have a connector, a person who you can go to coordinate all the activities and interactions that you have with MB. And so Chris is going to do this role for MB to be your key person at MB. And so I'm really delighted. Chris, I know you've been up here a few times. I know that there will be people who know you, but Chris is one of my key people in my team, and I'm trusting him to this relationship, and I know he will carry out that commitment. We acknowledge that your view of economic development may at times differ from ours, but we look forward to exploring those differences and seek a deeper understanding so that we can find some common ground. And from that shared understanding, we want to work together on raising Tūhoe's capacity, improving systems, infrastructure within Te Araroa, and to achieve some of the sustained community growth that you desire. It's appropriate to be signing this SMP today in the period of Matariki because it does talk about a new future, a new opportunity, and we heartily look forward to the next 5 years and to the progress that we can make together. It's important for Tūhoe, it's important for MB, but it's important for all of Aotearoa. So, manawatia Matariki, no reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā rā tātou katoa. Kia ora.